A stark warning for women with breast cancer. Life-saving therapies like chemotherapy and radiation can be linked to heart failure.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of women in the United States. In a new report from the American Heart Association, it said that women who survive cancer are at a higher risk of death from heart disease.
But as Valley News Team's Joseph Ojo reports, new technology is being put in place to make sure breast cancer treatments remain safe.
Studies in breast cancer survivors and patients show heart problems can start as early as the beginning of cancer treatments and even resurface 20 years after getting the treatment.
I think the detection of heart disease before the treatment or during the treatment is very important.
According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, about 40,000 women die of breast cancer every year in the U.S. And for the survival of breast cancer, aggressive forms of chemotherapy like doxorubicin are used, ultimately resulting in cardiac disease.
So as the years went by and the modern treatment is actually decreased the dose.
With new technology, cardiologists like Dr. Farkas can now monitor a patient's heart during breast cancer treatments, and if there is any signs of problems, therapy can be started to minimize the risk of heart disease.
And the role of the cardiologist to work together with the oncologist and able to prevent any complications of these medications, but not avoiding the treatment or not stopping the treatment.
Experts say women should not be afraid of cancer treatment, and as for care and treatment issues, new emergent targeted radiation continues to evolve.
There's a lot of work is being done in that regard, in the radiation therapy world. Nowadays, the radiations are much more targeted. With breath holding, we can avoid a lot of radiations to the heart.
In Fargo, Joseph Ojo, Valley News Live.
It is highly recommended to talk to your doctor before you undergo treatment. Breast cancer survivors can also improve their chances of a long, healthy life by exercising regularly and sticking to a healthy diet. For information about avoiding heart disease, go to our website, valleynewslive.com, and click on this story.